Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide the side panel button in Google Chrome. So this is a very simple process and it will take only a few steps. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. First, just simply open your Google Chrome browser. Then in the address bar, just simply write chrome:// flags, and after that, just simply hit enter, and that will take you directly to the Chrome's flag page. Over here, all you have to do is in the search panel, just simply search side panel. Now, once we'll do that, you will come to a page where you will be shown all the entries regarding side panel button. Now, what you have to do is simply come to this option right over here and choose disable. Then just simply scroll down or just simply click on the relaunch application right over here. And the moment you will do that, the side panel will be hidden, and you can also even check that. So after the Chrome restarts, the side panel button will automatically be hidden. If you ever want to bring it back, simply just reset the settings, or just simply come to this exact page and choose enable, or just simply choose default. And that way it will automatically go back to the original state. So that's it. And now you've successfully hidden the side panel button in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.